Today we're making, guess what?
Penises!
We're not making penises, we're making slime.
Yeah, because I already have a big one and that's all she needs.
That's my boyfriend. So what I just did is I shaved off some blush from my baked blush that I don't really use by Milani. Then I poured some filtered water. Now I'm pouring some flour, just regular baking flour. Now I'm gonna stir it like no tomorrow. I'm gonna add a little bit of table salt. Table salt. Some sleepy nighttime oil. I usually burn it, but today I'm going to add it to my slime so it smells good. And I'm going to add more flour. I'm going to stir it like tomorrow. I'm going to keep stirring till my arms fall off. Oh, look at that. The first sign of slime. Hold on to your seat, folks. It's gonna get weird.